How to make money blogging for beginners. 3 hot blog post ideas. Hi guys, I'm Les Bly from freelanceyourfuture.com FYF 101, where we talk about everything online entrepreneurship, from earning money as a side hustle to making a full-time job replacing income. Now in this video guys, I'm going to talk about blogging on WordPress, and I'm going to give you 3 ideas for blog posts that are hot topics and the kind of thing that your readership is going to want to read. Because I know you guys struggle with, deciding what to put into your blog post. So I'm going to give you 3 hot topics that you can, or 3 subject matters that you can look at and put into your blog post. Now, if you stay to the end, I'm going to point you to a resource that not only gives you more topics to blog on, or more ideas for your blog, but a whole host of other resources that I just can't cram into this short video. So if you watch to the end, I'll point you towards that. So guys, the first type of blog post I suggest you could write is a review blog post. Now what is a review blog post? A review blog post is a post that looks at a product or a service that you review. You talk to your audience on your blog about it, you tell them the pros and cons, and you can recommend that product if you feel it's a good thing to recommend, and your audience would be happy with it. You can recommend it and perhaps earn yourself a commission if they decide to buy. Now the thing with the reviews is to be very, very honest in your review. Tell the truth, tell the pros and cons. Products are not perfect, services are not perfect. It's got a lot going for it, but maybe there's things you want to tell your audience about that are cons that they need to be aware of. So generally speaking, obviously you'd want the pros to outweigh the cons so that you can recommend the product. So as I say, the first type of blog post to think about is a review type blog post. Now guys, the second type of blog post you could consider is a comparison type blog post. Now a comparison blog post is a bit like a review blog post. It's the same kind of thing, but what you're doing is, instead of just reviewing one product or service, you're reviewing 2 products side by side. So what that does is it gives you a chance to compare and contrast. So you can say what's good about product A, you can say what's bad about product A. Product B, you can say what's good, you can say what's bad, and you can compare and contrast the 2. So typically the 2 products would do the same, if not the same, a very similar job, and what you're doing with your audience is you're telling them the pros and cons of one, the pros and cons of the other, and at the end you can give your recommendation based on you weighing up, as I say, the pros and cons of each, which one is likely to satisfy your audience. And again, like with just doing a single review, be honest with this, give them good information. You need to know these products, you need to know what you're talking about, and give them a comparison between the 2 so they can make a choice based on the facts that you present to them. Okay, so the third type of blog post I suggest you look at is a question and answers format blog post. So what you can do is you can either get questions asked by your audience and answer them, or if you don't have an audience just yet, or you haven't built up an audience, you can go to Google, do a search on Google, look for the kind of questions people are asking with respect to what you're blogging about, what your niche is. So look for what the kind of questions people are asking and put together a question and answer blog post. So the thing to do is obviously look for the most popular questions, which you can find quite easily on Google, and then work out your answers, put them in the blog post and do a Q&A. So that's the third type of blog post I would recommend you look at. Okay guys, that's it for this short video. If you found it useful, consider giving it a like, thumbs up, always appreciate that. Subscribe if you'd like to, and keep your eyes open for more videos like this, because I'll be making a lot more videos like this, and I want to know where to send them to help you guys. Just on that subject guys, I want to say thanks for all your support for the channel. I really appreciate it. It's your support that keeps me going and encourages me to keep making videos like this. Okay, with all of that said guys, I promised at the start I would point you to a resource to help you further with your blogging. In this video I've given you 3 types of blog posts to think about. Obviously I can't cram everything into a video like this, so I'll put a link on the screen now of a resource that you might have to look at that will help you. Not only will it give you ideas for blog posts, it's going to give you a whole host of other information that's going to help you with your blogging. Okay guys, so I think that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope it helped you in some way. As I say, subscribe if you'd like to, so I can send you the future stuff to you, and keep your eyes open for more videos. That's it for this one guys. Talk soon, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll talk soon. Ciao for now, bye bye.